How to update Sonic Rumble to the latest version. First of all, open the Play Store and tap on the search button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Sonic Rumble and press enter. If an update is available for the game, you will see an update button next to it. If you don't see the update option, it means you are already on the latest version. Tap the update button to begin downloading the latest version of Sonic Rumble. The update size may vary, so make sure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection. Once the update is complete, you will see the play button appear. Tap it to launch the game with the latest features and fixes. When you open Sonic Rumble, the game may prompt you to download additional files or updates. Allow the process to finish and then you are good to go. You will now be ready to enjoy the latest content, improved gameplay and any bug fixes that come with the update. Now you know how to update Sonic Rumble to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.